Today I'm going to show you how to make 3-ingredient peanut butter cookies. Let's get started. I have 1 cup of peanut butter, and now you can use creamy peanut butter or crunchy peanut butter. You can use natural homemade peanut butter, or you can just use normal store-bought peanut butter. So that's 1 cup, or about 240, 250 grams of peanut butter, and then 1 cup of white granulated sugar, and that's 200 grams of sugar. All right, and then 1 large egg for the last ingredient. And there's other additional things that you can add, like a 1/4 teaspoon or 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt if you wanted to, but then it wouldn't be 3 ingredients. We'll just take this spatula, just give it a nice little scrape here. 1 last mix. All right, there we go. Simple ingredients, simple recipe. And you'll notice these are also gluten-free. Okay. And now I have a sheet pan here lined with parchment paper. You can use a silicone baking mat if you want as well. And I'm gonna put on some kitchen gloves. This is not necessary. You can just use your hands. Just make sure they're clean. I don't always wear gloves like this. And then you can either just use your fingers or use like a tablespoon measuring spoon. Just come in here and not quite a full tablespoon. Roll it into a ball like so. We just want them all around the same size and space them about 2 inches apart. You could also roll these in additional sugar if you wanted. A lot of people like to roll their peanut butter cookies in sugar. And now, let's take a fork, and you're just gonna go push down that way. So I'm gonna do that with all of these. This gives it the classic look, and also just presses it down. These don't really spread out very much when they bake. All right, like so. Make sure to preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 176 Celsius. And then we're gonna put these in their middle rack, and we're gonna bake them for about 10 to 12 minutes. And they're gonna get nice and firm onto that step. And when they come in the oven, they will look something like this, lightly golden brown on top. These actually took right around 13 minutes. Leave them on the pan for about 5 minutes. And then we are just gonna take them and transfer them to a wire rack to cool the rest of the way. And this recipe will make right around 24 cookies, depending on the size that you make them. Well, there you go. Super easy 3-ingredient peanut butter cookies. I'm Matt Taylor. This has been another episode of In the Kitchen with Matt. Thank you for joining me. Thumbs up, down the corner, press it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Take care. Time for me to dive into one of these. Oh yeah. Yeah, see lightly golden brown on the bottom? Nice. So good, melts in your mouth. Amazing.